Hello friends, now in the previous video we have completed this investor relation page completely. We have completed this page. Now in this video we start to making a new navigation. Let me just go on the home page. Let me remove this, and here, yeah, this is in the home page and we have completed this investor relation. Now we go on the add restaurant. Yeah, this link is not active. Let me go on the original website here and click on the add restaurant, this link. Let me click. Yeah, now in this video we are going to making this uh, Zomato for the business, this one partner with us, like this one. In this video we have a cover like this top section and this image also, and we also covering this registration restaurant and all these two bottom, and we try to complete also this section also, and after that we cover much more things like this and this how it work and all these other things like these types of a view page also, card view, and here this one FAQ, and this one. Let me just start and go on the our VS Code editor first of all here, and we have done this. Now here I want to create one other page which is known as let me go here and see. Okay, restaurant, add a restaurant. Here I give the uh, let's copy the name, and here just here click on the this icon, and first of all I want to close all this unnecessary file which are not required for because this too much code will be here up here, and let me close all this. And yeah, now here see and close this data file, and here just click on the this icon, new file, and here I want to create outside, not inside the data folder, in the outside. Let me click here, and here I want to create a add a restaurant, and here I give the underscore dot html. Here I was created, and for the boilerplate press the shift and exclamatory mark, automatically this will is generated. And I want to also like this, we want to also give the title and icon. Here you can in the index.html in the home page just copy all these things which are required for your same to same, like we want to this icon for the title here, like this types of a icon I want to also, and this HTML file like this where is this style sheet which are the here contain the styling of the footer section and something more we can use in the our restaurant page also, and this font awesome also we can use. Just copy all this here, and you can also copy the title. Only I want to change the title something. Okay, just copy from the index.html and come in the your add restaurant.html page, and here also just select this title all and paste here. Now here you can see all things are changed. Here I want to add restaurant.html page in your index.html. Where is a navigation bar? Let me just check. Yeah, here you can see we have this restaurant page. Now I want to add this. For that I want to just go here and add a restaurant page. Now let me see, refresh the page and just go on the first page. Now here investor relations, when I click okay, this will be working, and when I was clicking the add restaurant, see this new page will be appear, and here this logo will be, but I want to change like this original one. Here add a restaurant and here little bit dash, this types of a go on the add a restaurant page, and here just change this. Before that I want to add a restaurant. dot html, and now it's okay for that. And here I want to give the dash like this. Yeah, now see, these are looking, both are same. Now first of all I want to make the this, first of all we want to give the this top section. After that we giving the image, and for that, see, this is a logo, this is a Zomato clone, this is one type of image. Let me go on here, and here I want to also using the JavaScript, like this index.html we have created. We will create when the our requirement for the JavaScript, don't worry. Now here first of all I want to create this top section. For that, here I create a header, and inside the header I want to give this image. For that, giving the div, giving the class name will be logo as like the before one. And here I want to change something. Here I want to add one more prefix, because in the index.html here you can see I was added the logo container, and inside that okay, somewhere let me see, anywhere Zomato logo, like these types of a anywhere I was using the logo class, that's why uh, I want to search all this. For that, we can add a here. Before that, we can add some page, like here add I think I want to add a restaurant. Before that prefix we can add a restaurant. After that we can add the which tag inside that, and for the reading purpose, and in the CSS also we can directly identify. Now here inside that I use the img and give the src. Here I want to give this, and I wanted this logo. Let me just right click, go on the inspect, and I think I was copy here, right click, copy image address, and come here and paste here. Let me just see image. Okay, this image is white, that's why here not see if yeah, let me see. Okay, I was added. Yeah, here you can see this let me just first create a one style.css file also for the add a restaurant. Let me right click here, and here I want to add the add. Let me give the same name as restaurant dot css, and add this file in your html file. For that I can add directly here, come, and here I can add link. After that rel, and this is a style sheet file, and after that we give the link. Here I want to add a restaurant, no, add restaurant dot css. After that just close this tag, and for the checking purpose this file is added or not, just copy this class name restaurant, and let me just copy this first, copy this, and come in the your add restaurant dot css file, and here I can do one thing, just copy paste this, and here I give the background color will be red. Let me just check. Yeah, here you can see our Zomato logo will be display here. For that we can still here, because I want to design all this. After that we remove the this background section. Now first of all we added this logo. Now after that we want to add this right portion. Come in the restaurant page. After here, come here, I want to give div class, and here I want to add this all now menu. We here I can give the restaurant. After that we can add the header right, and inside header right you can see we have this product one, first one. Let me just give here why div, and we give the class name will be, let me just call restaurant underscore product product menu and enter. Here you can see this is due to the Amit VS Code editor which provided, and inside that I want to add the p tag which contain this product. Let me just add product. After that I want to add this icon. See this icon like this. I was already added the this font awesome link. Only I want to use the this class name. In the previous video you can see. If you not see this, just go on the font awesome website, and here you can click start. After that entering the your email id and send here. This font awesome send to the some script file. Add your HTML file. After that you can directly go on the this icon, and or here just search here the I can search carrot, sorry carrot, and why this are a little bit slow. This types of a open and click here. After that just copy this class name and paste where you want to, which icon you want to paste it. And after that you can see here these types of event. But in this video I am using the for the CDNJ provider. This is not a for the production one, but for the education purpose it is okay. You go on the here browser and type the CDNJ font awesome library, this types of and you want to any version you can select it font awesome, and here just copy link tag and go on the your VS Code editor and paste in the HTML file in the between the head sac. Automatically it will be okay. Now these things are done, and after that let's go back our section. And now here I want to create this login btn. For that here I want to add a cdnj cl. We had the restaurant. After that login, sometime my spelling was mistake. Please ignore this because sometimes I am typing much more faster than. And yeah, now this restaurant login page will be created. Inside that we have this login. We can do one thing here. I can directly add the let me just first click. When I was clicking now, see here this types of a page will be open. I want to only create a btn, and inside that I can directly add the login, and we can design this btn. And after that I want to also make a like. When I was clicking this login btn, see this little bit pop-up is coming little bit slow, and we make this also, don't worry. And after that I want to create this create account. Let me just add this, and here I give you the restaurant create account. And after that here just give this, and inside that I want to add a create account, and here I want to also add the class name will be a restaurant underscore login. Yeah, now we have a created this types of a structure. Let me just design as like this one. For that I want to this header one. Let me I think let me just check in the our index.html. Here you can see in the header section we have a uses okay, not a uses, then also okay. For now we can do here I can make one class. Let me just come here, and here inside I want to wrap one all this content into another restaurant underscore nav. And here let me just cut this div tag here and paste in the before the header, and press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. All code are automatically formatted for the reading properly. And now I created this here you can see this generated. Now just copy this restaurant nowhere and come in the your add restaurants css file, and here I want to make a, first of all I comment this, you can directly reference for this. Here you can do the display flags. Now here you can see all the content are display here, but I want to change something here. Here I can give the header. Yeah, let me remove this. Yeah, now see, but I want to reduce the size of the this Zomato one. For that I want to copy the this restaurant and come in the logo, and here I can do, let me give the width will be approximately 100 pixel. This is for the simple one. Let me also give the image width will be 100% according to its parent, and what this. Yeah, now see, yeah, I think this logo is too much, and this too much big as compared to our. Let me increase the size, it will be 220. If I want to check the what is the width of this Zomato, just right click here and go on the inspect section. After that just select this section, select an element and go on the where you want to check the width. Here you can see this width will be 120. Let me select, and here you can see its width will be 120 and height will be 43. For that it's okay now, and let me just come here, and yeah, in the flags I want to give the justify content space between, because I want to, yeah, this in the left section, in the right section I want to space. That's why we give the this space between, in the between the content. You can directly understand from here also. Here you can see we have a two child, this one and this one, in the restaurant now. That's why I want to both child are in the left, first one child in the left section and second one child in the right section. In between the space will be created automatically. That's why I use this justify content space between. If you want to another space you can use it, because justify content had multiple like flex start, flex end, and space around, space evenly, all this, but here I want to require the space between. According to the requirement we can use. And now here I want to also make this one. Let me just go here and copy this one and come in the restaurant page. Here I want to give the display flags. Now here see this is coming, and I think I want to create one utility class here. I create one utility, and here I want to add I can directly give the, because everywhere you can see flags, display flags, that's why I can do one thing here, dot flags underscore display flags. I created this flags class with display class. We can directly use anywhere where I want to use this, and we can do use this here and just remove it in the restaurant section and go on the your restaurant. Here I can directly add the flags. You can see automatically this will be done, and anywhere I want to use. Yeah, I want to add in this section already added. Let me remove in the restaurant header, right, just remove here and go on the your restaurant, this one, and here I want to add flags. Now you can see this will be created. And in the product section I want to this product and this icon will be a single, like that I can here I want to add flags. Okay, spelling mistake. Yeah, now you can see, but here I want to also this whole content in the center. We can do this with this class name, restaurant product menu, because sometime maybe sometime content will be up and down according to the depend. And now uh, we can do just copy this class name, come in the restaurant page here. Yeah, I think, yeah, here I want to give the alignment item center. Now you see in this product will be automatically center. Now I want to all this content also in center. See here, create account will be in the top section. Here I want to give the alignment item will be center. Yeah, now see this will be automatically center. I want to make all this content like this. Here you can see this little bit space is coming in the our here the home page. Less space is coming, but in our restaurant page, let me go on again. Here you can see more space is coming somewhere. You can see like this. We want to create one container. For that we can come here, and here I want to in the utility section I first of all add the prefix restaurant. This is not a requirement, this is for the reading purpose, and here I can add the container. After that here I want to give the width will be approximately, let me just check what is the height width of this. We can do one thing here and just cut this and come here, and I want to class of this. We can go with here, go on the header section and here. Okay, this navbar. Okay, here you can see this width will be 868. Let me just close this and come in the here 868 width, and margin from the top section will be 0, and left right will be automatically all the content will be come in the in between this. Let me go on here and refresh. Yeah, I think I was not added this class name. Let's just copy this class and come in the here, and in the here this one, and here I want to add the class. Let me just add. Now here you can see automatically these are added, but here our section our image see our logo will be small as compared to this. Here I want to, I think I want to give the more for that we can give the 900 directly. Here coming here, and our section it will be coming here. I think I want to increase this 50 pixel. It will be, I think, convert in the form of a percentage. It will be 80%. No, 75, 70, 65, 68. Yeah, now it's okay for now. And if you want to check here you can see it will be reduced. For that we can do here I think I want to do one thing. This here 67, we can do the 900 pixel. Let me just check first, and here 900 will be smaller as compared to this. We can use this 910. it will become here, and here will become little bit. We give the 150. After that we can change. Now here you can see we have a little bit top and bottom side padding. We can do one thing in the our where is restaurant. Now over here I can directly give the padding from the top and bottom section, or we can directly add the alignment. Where is alignment item center, and let me just see. Yeah, here I want to add the height of this navbar. Let me just give this height will be approximately 60 pixel, as yeah, you can see it will be not 60, 65. Little bit going up here this logo you can see, not we can give 68. We gave the 69, 70. Yeah, now see it will be okay for that. As like this one we have created this section, and I want to also make a like a product all this for like this also. Just go here, and here in the product section copy this. I was already set added in the here, and let me here. And now I want to increase the font size. This font will be approximately we give the 20 pixel. Let me just come, and here yeah, this product will be okay. And I want to also add the this margin from little bit from the this side. We can do the one thing, adding the padding from the right side will be approximately 10 pixel. Yeah, and because inside that let me just copy this. Inside that I have a p tag, and we can do here just cut here and paste here. Now let me check. Yeah, little bit space is coming, and here this will be little bit I think is okay now for, and this will be done. And here I want to create the left menu. I think here you can see little bit space is created due to the because of the margin. I want to give the margin from the right section is approximately 10 pixel. Now let me check. Okay, 15, 20. Yeah, 20 will be okay for now. Let me go on the this one done. Now I want to create this login one, and for that come here, and let me just go this login, just copy this one and come in the here, and here I want to paste this login section and give the padding will be from the top side. I give the I think 7 pixel, and left right will be approximately 15 pixel. Let me just check here, and here I think little bit increase this 18, and okay, and this will be 9 pixel, and now okay, and giving the border will be none, border not none. I want to change the color only 1 pixel solid white. Yeah, and background color will be none. Let me give the background transparent. Yeah, and this border will be okay, or I want to little bit more. We can give the 1.5 border. Now here you can see, but give the 2 pixel. Yeah, now I want to give the border will be every side will be curve. That's why we can use the border radius is 5 pixel. Let me just come here, see. Now this btn will be as like this one, and height will be more. We can do one thing, font size will be approximately 15 pixel. Let me check. And here I think I give the 16. No, 16 will be more. 15. Yeah, 15 I think. Okay, and font weight will be 600. Yeah, now okay, and I want to give the padding will be 7 now, and 7, and this will be 15. Yeah, now okay, and I want to also add the right side margin. For that we can do here margin from the right side 20 pixel. Yeah, now I want to create this create account. For that I can go on the add restaurant. Again I want to copy this class name and come in the CSS file. Here I want to make uh, first of all I want to give the background color. This color will be, let me just go here and right click, go on the inspect, and I can just copy the color code. Let me see anywhere this select this cursor and come here and paste here somewhere. Yeah, here this color will be coming. Now just copy this, and here I think I want to use this color multi position. We can do one thing here in the top section. Here I can create a let me just create a variable. Here I can give the blue. It will be blue is approximately 5000 8000, and this color code, paste this. Now I can directly use this color anywhere with the help of a this variable name. We don't need of a write every time this all this RGB color code. For that we can use I want to use in the here just type the where, after that paste the name of that variable and this one, and now you can see, let me just close this unnecessary thing. Here automatically is coming. Now I want to give the padding. We can padding give the same as here, and just cut it, sorry, copy this here and paste here, and now here automatically is coming. And I want to give the border will be corner side, border radius will be 5 pixel. We just come and here, yeah, and I want to little bit increase the font size. We can give the font size will be 15, no 16. Yeah, you can check 17. Yeah, now it's okay, and this font okay for now, and little bit this font will be more. We give the 16, sorry 16. Now here you can see we have covered this, inside that I want to give the white color. For that everywhere you can see this white color, we can directly go on the our this restaurant navbar. Here I want to add the color will be white. Now you can see everywhere change, but in the bottom section color will be not change. We can do one thing, where is a login btn. Here I want to give the color inherit property, and yeah, now here you can see this is coming. Now I want to go on the add this image. For that here you can see this is a one type of image, like that I want to add this. For that I can go on the here, and outside this header one, here I want to create a div and giving the, sorry, we can use the emit one div, and what is the name of this, register your restaurant. We can give the div and restaurant, and register, we can give the container, and inside that first of all I want to only add the image. After that I want to use the container. Directly I want to add the image. uh, Give the div, or inside the div we can use the image. And here I want to use img src. After that here, now inside it I want to give the color, and here we can give the restaurant header, and restaurant header image. And inside that I want to paste this, right click and copy image address, and come here. Let me first check this image ID is okay or not. Yeah, now okay, and directly paste here. Let me check here, and this image is coming. Yeah, this image it looking too much big. For that, first of all I want to remove this background color. Go on the here css file, and here just comment this background color. Now this will be gone. We can do one thing. Let me just come here, and here I want to copy this restaurant header image. This is not a header image, this is a main, because in the header section just copy this and come in the style.css. Here I was installing new section, and just paste this. After that I want to give the height, width will be 100%, and inside that we have a img, and we give the width will be 100%. And let me just see, and here you can see automatically this will be coming, but I want to adjust the width of these images. For that we can do one thing. Here I want to like this. For that we can do here, just come here and copy this first one, and come in the your add restaurant, where is css file. In the top section I want to paste this, and giving the position relative, because I want to this all things will be come with respect to this content. Yeah, and here I want to give one thing more. Where is here I want to give the position will be absolute. Now yeah, and these things are done. Let me just see. Okay, our image will be here. We can do here, giving the height will be approximately 600. Let me just key, or 500. And overflow I give the hidden. Let me just give, yeah, 500 is almost like this. Yeah, 500 is like this, but I want to this content in the top section. We can already give in the year absolute. Only I want to give the top will be go on the, let me just check on the this headers height. Where is this height will be 70 pixel. Let me go here, and here give the minus 70 pixel. Automatically this image will be go on the top section. Yeah, here you can see, but our header section will be gone. We can do one thing. Here I want to come, and this image here I want to give the j index will be -1, not 1, -1. Now here you can see our this top section will automatically coming. Yeah, and this section, yeah, this login will be too much. Let me reduce the border will be 1 pixel, and here this 6 pixel. And this will be font size will be not a bold. Let me reduce this. Yeah, now this will looking as like this one. Yeah, this is a 7. Yeah, now approx looking good. Yeah, I was close. if you want to end tab by mistakenly close, you can directly press the shift control T. Automatically the recent close tab will be open. Now okay, that much will be, and then here you can see this image will be little bit blur type as compared to our section, but our image here you can also see this image will be little bit top section as compared to our will be not in the top. We can do one thing here, this image container we can do give the background position. Here I was giving the minus 20 pixel. Let me just give 100 pixel. Okay, this will be not working because I was not using the with the help of a CSS this image. That's why we can do one thing. Just we can do one thing here. I want to about this image object fit cover. Now let me, yeah, automatically these are coming, and here okay, this will be 500. Yeah, okay, and here I want to do much 100 pixel. Let me see. Yeah, little bit to be no. I can give the 120. Mm, 130. $140. Yeah, now its height will be approximately similar, and now I want to blur this image. For here I want to just give the back opacity 0.8. Let me just see. Yeah, this image will be blur, or we can do one thing here, background box shadow. Yeah, why this is not coming? Box shadow inner set we can give the 1000 pixel, 1000 pixel, and 1000 this one, and giving the RGB black color for the 0.5. let me just see in the our section. Yeah, it will be coming here, but I want to both sides. Just copy this again and give the comma, paste here, and here I want to add the minus. Let me just increase this 9 pixel, and this will be coming why I think this will be not coming in the above section. We can do here. Here I want to give one more class, add a restaurant image shadow. Yeah, this is only just div tag, and just copy this one, come in the your style.css here. here paste this and remove this here, all this, and paste it here. And I want to also copy this, all these things. Only I want to change something, I'll show you. And here I want to show you one thing. Here I want to give the one, yeah. And this product section will be gone. We can do go on this top section. Here I want to give the z index will be 10. Let me just see. Okay, I was not giving the position relative. Yeah, now I want to make this blur. For that, here I want to give the this is not a fully 0.5. Let me see. Here, oh no, 0.4. Here little bit light, but here not. We can give 3, 2. You see, yeah, now see, this all things are proper now. Let me go on this section, register your restaurant. We can go here. These things are here, all these images. Here I want to create one another things, which is I think I want to create add restaurant div tag. Div class name will be add, first of all, prefix restaurant, and will be add restaurant. And inside that, let me go up. First of all, I want to give the container. Let me just copy this same container here. Just copy this same class name and come here. I want to give div class and paste the same container. Inside that, I want to first of all this top heading. We can do heading, and this will be add restaurant. Just copy this and paste it here. After that, I want to add this and get more customer. Just copy this, and here I want to add a p tag. After that, I want to add this to but btn. Okay, I was anywhere I was hovering. See, this types of effect will be coming. We can do one thing in the here. Come in the top section. Here I want in the utility section, I want to create a restaurant, yeah, btn, and here I want to give the background color will be where, and the same color. And for the hovering effect, it color will be, let me just come here. When I was hover, this color will go on the more. I want to this color code, and this color and this color will be same when I was hover here. Let me just search this is a before after pseudo element color code. Okay, not found. Let me just come here and just copy this same. After that, I can do here 9, and I want to increase this, yeah. And here I want to give the background color where will be 9, and just copy this only class, this class, and add anywhere where you want to make this types of effect. I want to do in the create section. Here I can do just paste this class name, and in our section, let me just hover. See, but once these things are done and this cursor will be not this much, I want to also change here the cursor will be pointer. Yeah, see, this thing will be done, and every btn has a this cursor. We can do here btn and cursor pointer everywhere. Now okay, now this is done, and here this both two section will be coming. Now I want to create this. Let me add more field. These are not looking. Let me just first change this. Copy this one. This add restaurant and come in the your CSS file. Here I want to make one comment. Here I want to start the restaurant section. Give the color will be white color keyboard. Yeah, but see, this will be coming in the behind this one. I want to about this. We can do one thing in the this restaurant section, this class name, and here I can do a position will be relative. After that I add the j index will be 2. Yeah, now here you can see I can able to see this, and light night mode I think on. Let me just close. Yeah, now I want to add this two bottom. Only I was added the this class name. Just copy this utility class where is and come here, and this both where is close. After that I want to add here I want to add div, and inside that I want to give the class name will be same. And okay, I think this is a btn container. We can add later. Here I want to give the div, and let me just check when I was clicking. Okay, this login section will be when I was clicking here. Again this login is section open. Okay, like that. We can do one thing first of all, and div, and we can add after the, and here paste this class name, and here I want to add a register your, why these are register your restaurant, register your restaurant, and restaurant already listed, login now. And here yes, in this restaurant already listed. After that I want to add the login now. Yeah, now this will be done. Let me just see, and here I want to add the flex. Now you can see I was created this, but padding and margin will be not be coming by default. We can also do one thing. We can directly go on the this will be one type of a btn, but yeah, when I was however these things are coming, I can add one class, or we can do one thing, just change this tag. Just select this, and this will be btn. Yeah, now see, this whole class will be look like this. Here I want to do, go on your restaurant page in the utility class. Here I was created btn, and by default I add the padding 5 pixel and 15 pixel from left and right, And font size, everywhere font size will be different, like here little bit big, here a little bit more, and that's why I can do not give, just add the class name. Here I want to add here I want to add, press the alt and click this two, and here I want to restaurant register, and now copy this class name, restaurant register btn. I just forgot it. Yeah, and just copy this class name and come in the style.css file. Here I want to add why our whole things are coming here, not in this. Let me just check in the here HTML file. Okay, this all things are in the out of the this container. Let me just cut this div here and paste in after that, and press the shift alt F for the formatting. Now okay, now these are coming properly. I want to give the padding from the top bottom. First of all, I want to give the font size will be 20 pixel. No, this will be too much. 15. No, 80. 16. And color also white. And little bit space, letter spacing 1 pixel. Let me just see. No, not 1 pixel, 0.5 pixel, 0.4, 0.3. Yeah, this will be okay. And this font, okay, font weight will be 300, 400. Okay, now I want to give the padding from the top and bottom side. For that, giving the top side will be 10 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, and 15 pixel. Let me just check here. Yeah, 15 pixel is okay, and left right will be 50 pixel. Yeah, and here I want to give the border will be none, and border will be curve. Yeah, here and here. If I want to give the 100, 70. Um, not a 70, 65. Coming here. I want to give the little bit space here. Copy this class name again, and here come paste here. After that, here give the first child margin from the right side will be 20 pixel. Yeah, little bit space is here. 15 pixel. Yeah, now it's look good. And after that I want to make this cart. uh, for that we can do, let me just come, okay, this will be card. In the add restaurant, come here, and after that I want to add div, and giving the class name will be here see get start with online ordering. Here I want to give the restaurant, just give the div tag. First of all I want to add all this, copy this and paste here. This is h1, or yeah, this is h2, not h1, h2. After that I want to add this tags, just copy this. And now I want to add this all this list. We can use the directly unordered list. Let me just give unordered list. After that inside that I want to use this list one, and here uh, just here right click, and this is image or something more. For checking purpose, go on the inspect section, and here you can see here this is one time before, not anymore. We can do this is one type of a, okay. For refresh this page, and let me see again. Right click, go on the inspect, and here this is one type of a uh, added the content in the pseudocode before. When I was click here, see this types of a icon will be automatically appear here. We can do, let me just go on the font awesome, sorry, font awesome, and let me just check why this unnecessary website is open. Font awesome, and go on the here, click the font awesome first section. Something is missing, and icon. After that yeah, just search okay. Okay, this thing starts learning. Let me just first of all select the free version, and see in this types of a appear here. Where is original one? Here, like this we want to add, just copy this one and copy this class name, and in the list style you want to add or somewhere other you can directly add. In the I think I want to add the in the list one, and after that I want to add uh, this tax name, just copy and paste is here. I want to total is approximately 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6. For that just copy this whole things 6 time, uh, one more, and only I want to change the this name. mm. These things are done, and this one will be here. After that this will be, now here you can see we have a gun. Let's go on the browser to see this. Here you can see all these are coming, but I want to also change this color. I want to color code. For that I can directly go on the inspect, and here just copy this color name and go on the style CSS file. Here in the top section I can directly add the green 500. After that paste this, and I want to use all this where I want to, and come here. Here I want to give the flags because I want to all the content, not every things are in the center. This two things are center. After that this will be okay. We can do just cut this here and make in the another content. Just paste this, and here I can add the class flags, and here I can add the I can add a restaurant. After that card restaurant get start. Okay, get start. Just copy this, and this will be the get start. This will be text, or we can give the heading, and just copy this, or we can copy this one first of all, and come here. Here I want to comment, and here I want to give the justify content center, alignment also center, padding from the top side, and left side will be, top side will be approximately 10 pixel, and bottom side will be, and left right will be auto, or we can give the 0. Now let me just go on here. Here you can see, but I want to content in the direction will be changed. Yeah, now this will come by default. Padding and margin is coming. I want to remove this. Just copy this here, and yeah, here I can do inside that I have a p tag. Let me just give the p tag will be margin 0, and okay, this content will be coming I think much more bigger as compared to this. For that I already created this content. Just copy this here and come in here. Here I can give the background color will be white. Now let me just see first. Here see, and this all the text will be black color. And this size will be little bit more. I can reduce this, will be 80 pixel. Yeah, now you can see here looking good. And this I think I want to make this both are equal. That's why we can do here 79. Yeah, now see these both are equal, and here I want to little bit space. For that I give the margin from the top section will be 20 pixel. Let me just say okay, 20, 50, 40. Yeah, 40 will be good, and this border will be not a, we give the curve type 10 pixel. Yeah, now it will be good, and this content will be not be proper. We can also remove the in the h2 tag also margin 0. Yeah, now this will be coming proper, and only I want to increase the size of this. For that we can do font size will be approximately 25 pixel. Let me just check. this font size, and this font size is, no, this will be 28. And after that I want to also make this like this. For that we can do here, letter spacing will be 1 pixel. Yeah, here and here. Now I want to, all this content will be in the center, uh, and by default I want to also add the, in the heading section, padding. Here you can see little bit this, and this padding will be, for that we can give the padding will be by default 50 pixel. And yeah, now it will be coming, or 40 pixel will be, and 30. Yeah, now it's okay. And little bit more this font, 30. And this p tag also, font will be, font size will be approximately, uh, give the 20 pixel. Let me just check. Yeah, and this font will be, color I want to change both of them, and for that I can directly just right click here in copy, and copy this color code and go on the top section. Here I can add the text color and just paste this here, and text color heading. And after that I want to add one more text, simple text paragraph, sorry, spelling mistake, para. And let me just go here, and cursor and click here. After that here some color code will be appear, just copy this and change here. Yeah, now okay. Only I want to use this both variable name. Here I want to give the heading will be color, where this heading color, and this paragraph color will be where this paragraph. Just close this one and go on here. Here you can see, and okay, and little bit space we can do here. We give the padding from the top side, it will be 5 pixel. Let me just see, we can give the 10 pixel, 7. Now okay, now, and let me just do this one design. For that come here, and only I want to just we can directly use this restaurant get a start. Inside that we have a unordered list tag. After that list tag and this one, we can directly go here and just copy the this parent class name and come here. Inside that I have a order list. Just remove the first of all padding, because unordered list by default has a padding from the left side, that's why. Now you can see these are gone, and here I want to add a padding will be 30 pixel. You can add as you like, how much you want to give, that's why. And here I want to remove this list style. We can give the list style will be none. After that here this will be gone, and this icon I want to change this color. After, let me just copy this one and paste here, and inside that I have a I tag. Let me just give the color will be variable name, and this will be green. Let me just see. Yeah, here you can see I want to little bit space, give the padding, sorry, give the margin from the right side will be approximately 20 pixel, Oh, this is too much. 10 pixel. And give the font size will be approximately 18 pixel. Let me just see. Okay, not looking good. 20 pixel. And yeah, and now all these tags will be appear here one by one. We can do one thing, and every list tag has its own margin and padding. We can do just copy this parent class name and paste here again, and inside that we have a unordered list. After that list we can give the list will be margin. In the top section we give the 20 pixel. Let me just give. Yeah, here you can see, but I want to all this not like this one. This in the unorderly this unordered list we give the display flags. Now you can see everything's be coming here, and I can do one thing. In the unordered list we can give the flags will be 1. Now you can see, and here I want to give the if 2, and here I want also add a flags wrap, and just remove this. See, some tags will be coming in the bottom section. Now I want to do one more things. Only I want to this two element from the this top section. For that we can do here I have a multiple li tag. For that here we can do one thing, just copy this again, and by default all the element in the left side, but we can do uh, let me just see. Okay, this one and this one, and I want to make a two content. Okay, width will be 50%. Now you can see automatically it will be adjusted. Let me just see, this will be okay. Yeah, this see here top and bottom side this space, and here is more space. Let me just reduce in the unordered here. Why this I created both. Just come here and paste here also. Let me, and in the top section for reducing where is unordered list I was added the padding. Yeah, and now this section will be okay for only I want to increase the font size. We can give the font size will be 25. This icon font size will be 20, and only I want to increase the font size will be this tax name. For that we can do get start. Inside that I have a unordered list inside the p tag, and this will be class. Here I want to add the font size will be 20 pixel. Let me just increase the font size will be 22, 25. Let me first check these are happening or not. Okay, p tag not I think I was added directly. Let me just, yeah, see, and let me just give the 20 pixel and remove the background color now. Yeah, now see all things are as like this one, and yeah, this font will be more. And yeah, now everything. Only I want to change this color. We can do a color will be where, and this will be like a heading color, this one. this color are looking, both are same. Just copy this again. Okay, I was giving the font weight will be 400, 500, 550. 500 is okay. And now here I want to give the space from the top section as like this one. For that let me just go on here, let me just collapse all this section. Here this is restaurant get started, here this is a restaurant get started. After that this one flags to bottom, and here I was giving the, and this here image I don't need of this. Here I want to add the margin from the top section. Let me restaurant and restaurant, let me just go on here, search this, where is this class name, restaurant and restaurant. Here I want to add margin from the top section will be 50 pixel. Let me just come, yeah, this will be not a 50, 100. Okay, I think I can do one thing here, just remove the padding and add the, sorry, remove the margin, add the padding, and this margin will be top side. Yeah, now it will be coming. And I was forget to increase the size of this and this too. Let me just do first. And Zomato kitty will be not display, and in the restaurant container we have this h1. Just come here, restaurant container anywhere, just here restaurant container, sorry, in the restaurant we have h1 and p1 anywhere, no. Let's go on the bottom, where is restaurant get started, no, restaurant and restaurant, where is gone, restaurant and restaurant. Let me just go up here, copy this, paste here, and inside h1 I increase the font size will be 30, 40. Okay, why this 0 is looking, and this margin will be coming. Let me just now design this p1, just copy this here and paste here, this will be p, yeah, this will be 20 pixel, and margin from the top section will be 0. And we can do one thing, remove here margin will be 0 here, and in the p tag will be still. Now let me see, yeah, now it will be good. And I want to, yeah, you can see our section, here margin will be more, we can, why this margin is coming, yeah, in the heading I want to remove from the p tag. Yeah, now it's for now it's okay. And margin here I want to already given the 0, then why these are coming? Padding will be also 0, and here I was margin will be 0. Yeah, now only I want to give the padding margin here. Top side will be 5 pixel, left right will be 0. Okay, in case this 7, 10. Okay, for now 15. Yeah, now it's good looking. This is looking same as like this section, and one more thing is remaining. When I was clicking here, you can see this will be slide, but here when I was clicking, this will be not slide. We can do this in the next video. And this much completed. If this video is helpful for you anything, just like, hit the like button, and thank you for the watching till this. In the next section we cover the our next part, this and all the this section. And thank you for the watching this till this. Thank you so much. My voice was too much, little bit not a proper, but please cooperate this. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.